And so what we're trying to do is replicate what it would look like for our blue team when that happens. And then our blue team engages in a defensive effort. And what they're trying to do is I'm masquerading or pretending to be a network owner. As the owner of that network, the blue team is coming in as the National Guard, and their job is to help me secure my network, protect my resources, and protect essentially American jobs and our way of life. Well, the one thing I'm going to take back is just the value that our tool can bring in this type of operation, the visibility and understanding the tools that the Department of Defense and our reserve components use, and how we can integrate with those tools and how we can help the warfighters execute their mission better. I would consider any nonprofit, non-governmental organization, any civilian agency, or any corporation, I think they would be foolish to not want to participate in Cyber Shield. You should be sending your CISO to participate, your Chief Information Security Officer to participate in Cyber Shield. You should be sending your Security Operations Center Manager to participate in Cyber Shield. And the lessons learned from Cyber Shield, those should be communicated to every corporate board out there so that they understand both the threat and the solution.